Hey RGR Party crew, what's up? Darren King here, and today we are diving into one of the freshest games to hit Steam Foundry. Now, if you're into automation, crafting, and building epic industrial empires from the ground up, you are in for a treat. Strap in, because this game has all the elements that will blow your mind, and I'm going to take you through it with full-on excitement, RGR Party style. So sit back, relax, or better yet, grab your own copy of Foundry, and let's build some crazy jaw-dropping machines. All right, let's kick things off with a quick overview of Foundry. In this game, you start out on a mysterious alien planet, and your mission: build a sprawling, automated factory system that churns out resources and technology like nobody's business. You got to mine, craft, and expand your operations, all while facing the challenges of an unfamiliar world. It's all about efficiency, and if you love making things run like a well-oiled machine, Foundry is going to suck you in fast. The graphics super clean and detailed, with that satisfying aesthetic that makes watching your factory hum along feel like pure gaming bliss. And the gameplay, just wait until you see how deep the rabbit hole goes with automation, logistics, and crafting. Trust me, we are just getting started. So, what do you do when you first land on this alien planet? Let's jump right into it. You begin by gathering resources: wood, stone, and the good old iron ore, your bread and butter in this world. You'll need to set up your first mining operations ASAP because your goal is simple: automate everything. The key to Foundry is efficiency, so you'll want to start by placing down your miners and smelters to turn raw materials into usable products. And guess what? You're not even close to the insane setups we'll be building soon. But don't rush too much. This game is a marathon, not a sprint. Get comfortable with the controls and the mechanics, because as we expand, things are going to get a whole lot crazier. All right, now that we've got our basic resources flowing, it's time to step things up. Automation, baby. We're going to set up conveyor belts, machines, and assembly lines so we can take a back seat and watch our factory do the heavy lifting. The satisfaction of seeing those belts move items around is next level. It's like watching a symphony of machines all working in perfect harmony. But don't get too comfortable. Just when you think you've mastered automation, the game throws curveballs your way. There's always something new to optimize, tweak, or completely overhaul. Foundry keeps you on your toes, and that's what makes it so addicting. Who's ready to see just how far we can push this automation game? Let's go. Now that we've automated our first few products, it's time to grow. And I mean grow big. Expanding your factory isn't just about placing more machines. It's about planning out the logistics, creating efficient layouts, and making sure you're not bottlenecking your production. Trust me, nothing's worse than realizing your conveyor belt system is a mess and you've got a pileup of resources. As we expand, we'll unlock more advanced technology, faster machines, more powerful tools, and even the ability to process alien materials. That's right, this alien planet is full of surprises, and we're going to exploit every last resource to fuel our industrial empire. Let's keep this expansion rolling and see just how massive we can make this thing. All right, so we're cruising along, building bigger and better factories, but Foundry isn't going to let us have it too easy. This game is packed with mid-game challenges, new resources to unlock, more complex crafting recipes, and sometimes things just break. Yeah, welcome to the real world of factory management, where things don't always go according to plan. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? Problem solving is a big part of the game. You'll need to figure out how to route materials, how to avoid bottlenecks, and how to optimize every square inch of your factory. It's a puzzle that gets more challenging the deeper you go. And trust me, we're going deep. We've got the basics down. We've expanded our base. Now it's time to take automation to the next level. By now, we're unlocking more advanced tech, and this is where Foundry really shines. We're talking about splitting production lines, advanced robotics, and creating entire systems that can run for hours without you even touching them. It's like becoming the master architect of an unstoppable industrial force. But don't think it's going to be easy. Managing these complex systems requires some serious strategy. One wrong move, and you could have an entire section of your factory shut down. But don't worry. We've got this. Let's dominate this game and show the world what the RGR Party is capable of. One of the coolest parts of Foundry. The alien world you're in is more than just a backdrop. It's a massive environment waiting to be explored. You can scout out new biomes, hunt down rare resources, and discover hidden tech that'll give your factory a major boost. It's like a scavenger hunt, but with giant machines and alien artifacts. Exploration is key in this game. So when we're not optimizing our production, we're out there discovering new secrets that can help us take over this world. The deeper we go, the more mysterious and exciting things get. Let's get out there and find those hidden gems. Now, the moment we've been working toward the ultimate factory. Everything we've been building up to, automation, resource management, expansion, culminates in one jaw-dropping masterpiece of industrial engineering. We're talking conveyor belt stretching as far as the eye can see, machines working 24/7 and resources flowing through like clockwork. It's beautiful in a geeky, machine-loving way. This is what Foundry is all about. The satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off in the form of a massive, perfectly functioning, automated empire. Well, RGR Party crew, that's just a taste of the Foundry experience. This game is a builder's dream, packed with challenges, creativity, and endless fun. If you're looking for a game that'll keep you hooked for hours, Foundry is the one. And hey, don't just take my word for it. Grab your copy, join the RGR Party, and let's build something epic together.
To automate ore extraction, we need to set up a drone miner. Craft one and place it on top of your foundation, right next to the ore patch.
You know, it'd be fantastic if you kind of told me how. Craft a drone miner. Okay, so let's see. C is crafting. Building block. Drone miner. Did I do it? Oh, okay. Apparently. Drone miner. Place the drone miner on the foundation.
Drone miners and most other buildings require power to function. Let's build a biomass generator on the same foundation as the drone miner. Once built, you need to harvest some plants and trees with your mining drill to collect biomass. Insert the biomass into the generator and it will start to power all buildings on the same foundation as the generator.
I'm going to grab some more of this so I can get some more of those plates. Okay, so now I need to craft a biomass burner. That is under construction, it sounds like. Wait, how do I rotate it? Oh, R. Okay, burner status, missing fuel. Mine 20 biomass from vegetation. Do I use the same miner? Oh, interesting. Very interesting. That's better than a chainsaw. Okay, then put the biomass into the biomass burner.
Go watch your mining drones acquire your first automated ore. Aren't they beautiful? Anyways, we need to get going. Let's build a smelter next.
Look at those guys mining ore for me. Okay, craft a smelter. Okay. Create a smelter. How big are those things? Am I going to need more of this? So it says 2 by 3 by 2. So smelter. Smelter is done. Does it have to be up on the base? On the foundation, it says.
The smelter is more efficient than the inbuilt drop pod smelter, so you should start using this from now on. Another benefit is that we can automate the smelters to make our life easier. For this, you need to connect the drone miner to a smelter by using loaders and conveyor belts. Let's start by crafting the required machines. 2 loaders, 1 for the smelter and 1 for the drone miner, as well as a few belts to connect them. While you're crafting those, I will notify Mission Command on our progress.
Loaders and conveyors.
Communication link establishment failure. Curiously, I find myself unable to make contact with Mission Command. It could be a technical anomaly. I shall persist in my attempts.
I feel like I'm going to need more of these foundation. can't remember how I did that foundation. Biomass, smelter. It says craft 2 loaders, so 1 more. And 20 conveyors. Jeez.
You have the machines necessary to connect the drone miner to the smelter. Now, attach a loader to each machine and connect them with conveyor belts. The mission control link remains non-responsive. Our objective is near completion and immediate guidance from Mission Command is required.
I don't know where I'm supposed to connect this. Is it doing anything? Does it need more fuel? Apparently so. I feel like I'm destroying the environment, killing all these trees. I don't remember how I crafted those foundations. Save for crafting. Is this building block? I think it was a building block. Can I delete one of those? Alright, oh geez, that was better. That made it a lot easier. Okay, but I still don't see anything happening in here, so I'm assuming that I screwed something up here. So how do I get rid of... Can I delete? Okay. I'm guessing I did this wrong too. All right. Okay, so it says a loader for each of these. The heck was that? Okay, so loader. Let me see if something will tell me how to use the loader. Okay, use conveyors and loaders to transport goods around your factory. See example below. So it almost looks like... Okay. I think I got it here. So... View InfoDB tutorial task. First production line, press F2. Okay, so now this is working. Sweet. Okay, view info database tutorial tasks. First production line.
Great. We connected the machines and have automated the tedious process of moving items by hand. Isn't automation great? Now it's time to scale up and build more smelters. A single belt full of ore can feed multiple smelters using the power of loaders. The info database has a diagram if you need one.
Got it.
A loader only adds enough items at a time to a machine to ensure it doesn't stop. This makes it easy for you to have multiple machines fed by a single long belt.
Alright. So it sounds like I need to run some from the other deposit as well, the blue one. Let's grab some of these. Okay, can I take these, some of these? Alright, so we should be able to build one here. Alright. Okay. The first thing was the drone miner. we get? Am I gonna have enough? Drone miner and a biomass burner and a smelter. Biomass burner for power. And then it was smelter. And we need the loader and the conveyor. All right. Okay. Let's do loader. See if I can do this right. Conveyor. This is place 4 smelters. I don't know what I'm going to do with 4 of them. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with 4 smelters. I don't know. I would think I would need more miners than smelters, but I could be wrong. So let's build another smelter. No, I think I screwed that one up. Four times the machinery parts, electrical components. So I can't build another smelter yet.
We have completed our initial mission of setting up a smelting facility. We've done a great job, haven't we?
Yeah.
At this point, we should have received further instructions, but something is blocking our communications. I think we'll have to improvise. My archives contain a blueprint for a research server. Through material analysis, I should be able to provide an emergency beacon blueprint.
Okay.
Let's get going and build a research server.
Tell me what to do. Craft a research server. Research server, there it is. Do I need to put it on a base? Yeah, it requires foundation. And it is 3 by 4 by 3. Should fit here.
To advance in research, you will need to build science packs. Craft a few by hand and insert them into the research server to research the emergency beacon blueprint.
Science packs. We need 3. Okay. Maybe one more. Research emergency beacon. Come on, emergency beacon.
Got it! We now have the emergency beacon blueprint. Craft it and place it, but not too close to your existing machines. Those rescue parties tend to land right on top of the beacons.
Ah, good to know. Call for help by pressing button.
Great, now you might want to take a step back and look up. A real groundbreaker. This Corporate Command Companion Bureaucrat bot, C3BB for short, will help us establish a connection with Mission Command. First, let's help him out of that drop pod by deconstructing and placing it in a safe location.
Alright, tell me how to do that. Did I just screw it up? I believe I just screwed it up. Definitely screwed it up. I don't think I was supposed to destroy that thing. Oh boy. Wait, and I'll place C3BB hub. That's this. So maybe I didn't screw it up. Let's see. C3BB hub. I'll put it right here.
Welcome to the ground C3BB. We have activated this emergency beacon because we are having trouble communicating with Mission Command. Critical damage on the Mission Command space station, you say? Spontaneous explosive disassembly. That's extremely troubling. What now? Are we trapped here? That aligns with our disaster contingency protocol. C3BB. Initiate a thorough analysis of the incident. We'll integrate your extended blueprint archive with our research servers and construct a self-sufficient manufacturing facility capable of providing emergency aid. Indeed, I do wonder about the universe. But let's focus on not getting lost in it, shall we? You're right. We need a machine that is able to craft common items. I'm glad you have the blueprint stored. Let's go ahead and research the assembler. You're right. We need a machine that is able to craft common items. I'm glad you have the blueprint stored. Let's go ahead and research the assembler.
I tried that. Research assembler.
You're right. We need a machine that is able to craft common items. I'm glad you have the blueprint stored. Let's go ahead and research the assembler.
Research the assembler. Research server. do I need to go over to that other? Research assembler. Look at this tree. Holy cow. There's a lot to learn and uncover. So with that, I think we're going to kill this one for tonight. Come back tomorrow once this research assembler is researched. And build it and go on from there. But so far, so good. Yeah, lots to get into. So I'm kind of excited for this one. We'll see how this goes. So far, kind of mixed reviews. Kind of follows along with Satisfactory. A little bit more cartoonish than Satisfactory.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on the fun. And let me know in the comments what you're building in Foundry. I can't wait to see your creations. Until next time, Darren King signing off. Keep gaming, keep building, and let's keep this RGR party going strong.